Hi.
Let's talk about funny videos on YouTube.
Charlie
I love
bit
Marcel
me.
the Shell.
Oh, so cute.
So cute. It's like, my name's Marcel. I'm partially a shell. I love it.
No,
I like Miranda Sings.
Tie my skis to my car.
A hair. You know what my skis are? They're toenails from a man. Oh, you know what's a funny commercial? The Starburst commercial.
Oh my
It's like, you're a dreamer, Annie. Streets are all I know. And he scoots away and he's like, streets.
She can't get over that.
Akbar. Akbar's hilarious.
Okay,
I went in a cornfield today.
when I said Akbar, you said it was Akbar.
I said Akbar.
Nope.
Please comment if it's Akbar or Akbar.
It's Akbar.
It's not Akbar. You're saying it weird. It's Akbar.
Okay, let's watch the video.
No, we will. Okay. This will
It's
be
not
continued.
Akbar.
Goodbye.